Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cards using Cricut Maker. First, gather your essential materials, including cardstock, a cutting mat, and your Cricut Maker machine. Next, open Cricut Design Space to select or create your card design. Remember to ensure your cutting mat is clean and has the right adhesion for your chosen cardstock. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful crafting experience from the very beginning. Now, let's dive into designing your card. You can choose from thousands of ready-to-make projects in Design Space or unleash your creativity by designing a custom card from scratch. Remember to adjust the card dimensions to fit standard envelope sizes, like a 2 or a 7. Once your design is perfect, carefully load your cardstock onto a light grip cutting mat, ensuring it adheres smoothly. With your design ready, it's time for the Cricut Maker to work its magic. Load the correct blade and scoring tool into your machine as prompted by Design Space. The machine will then precisely cut and score your cardstock according to your design. After the cut is complete, carefully remove the intricate card elements from the cutting mat using a spatula tool to prevent tearing. Finally, let's bring your card to life. Begin by folding along all the score lines to create crisp, professional creases. Next, use your preferred adhesive, such as glue or foam dots, to securely attach any layers or embellishments. This is where your card truly takes shape. Don't forget to add those personal touches, like glitter, stamps, or a heartfelt handwritten message, to make your card uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.